A cart of mass 150 kg is pulled horizontally on a frictionless surface with force 10 Newton. If 100 gram per second sand is being dropped in the cart vertically, find the speed of the system when the cart has 100 kg sand in it. This is the situation which is explained in the problem. Sand is being dropped into the cart vertically at a rate of 100 gram per second. So this can also be written as 0.1 kg per second. Now the time after which the cart gets filled with 100 kg of sand is given by capital M equals to dm by dt multiplied by t. So here capital M is 100 kg, dm by dt is 0.1 kg per second multiplied by t. So we get t equals to as 1000 seconds. Now when the cart is being filled with the sand, there will be a force acting on the cart in vertically downward direction, whose magnitude is equal to dm by dt into the speed at which the sand is falling into the cart. But this force will not affect the horizontal force. So this force will not change the linear momentum in horizontal direction. The velocity of the cart just before it is being filled with 100 kg sand is calculated as follows. Acceleration in horizontal direction on the cart will be equal to 10 upon 150, which is 1 upon 15 meter per second square. Now velocity of the cart after t equals to 1000 seconds is v equals to u plus at. Since the cart has started with 0 initial velocity, we can write v equal to as 1 upon 15 multiplied by 1000. So momentum of the cart just before the cart is filled with 100 kg of sand is given by P initial equals to mass of the cart multiplied by its velocity. So it is equal to 10 power 4 Newton second. Now the momentum of the cart just after 100 kg of sand is filled into it is given by P final is equal to mass of the cart plus mass of sand added into the cart times of velocity. Now since linear momentum in horizontal direction doesn't change, P initial is equal to P final by conservation of linear momentum in horizontal direction. So 10 power 4 is equal to final is 250 times of u1. So this implies u1 is equal to 1000 upon 25, which is equal to 40 meter per second. Therefore the speed of the system when the cart has 100 kg of sand in it is 40 meter per second. So the correct option is 3.